What was the scariest part of this ride? I thought it was going to be weaving through some of the buses and traffic coming uphill, but I think Daryl and I will agree that the craziest part of the ride today was going through the fog towards the Element residence. You know, a lot of people say that the monkey is cute and too expensive. So today I think I want to prove that, you know what, cute and expensive does have a secondary purpose. It can actually be a serious bike. So what do you do with a serious bike? You go for a serious hill climb. Good thing. Make sense? Right, a lot of you have been calling the monkey cute. Frankly speaking, I am annoyed with the term cute because it says it's child's play, it's not a serious bike, it's not a capable bike. Well, today I'm going to prove you wrong by taking the monkey up Genting. And we're going to start here in BHP Karak. So as a benchmark, just to show you how capable it is, I've also roped in Mr. Daryl Loy, who's holding the camera right now, to bring his wife's Kia Picanto. Now let me put this into perspective for you. Combined, the Picanto and monkey, we haven't even broken 100 horsepower. So this should be fun and interesting. And in the monkey's case, what's going to make it a lot more difficult is the fact that it's got a very, very, very tiny tank. So I'm hoping that we get up to Gotong Jaya at the very least with some fuel to spare, and we'll see whether we can go all the way up to the summit. Let's go. Scary! Ah! Whoa, that was a hell of a ride, and as you can see, we made it up to Gotong. You can see the Petron over there, and my goodness, that was both fun and scary at the same time. Fun because, you know, I'm surprised at how capable this 125cc engine is at bringing the monkey up. I mean, on the 10% gradual climbs, you could keep it in third gear, throttle fully open, and it would maintain the climb. But as it got steeper, you probably need to downshift the second gear a few times here, especially when you need to weave around some of the traffic here. On that note, yes, there were a few code brown moments as I tried to weave around some cars, lorries and buses, and trust me, this thing next to a bus or lorry it really feels like David and Goliath. It's not for the weak-hearted. But also what's surprising, the meter readout tells me I still have a full tank. So, you know, despite the fact that we've stressed this engine quite a bit, it's still just sipping fuel. So probably that's a good sign, and that's enough grounds to warrant me to continue going up to the summit. So we'll see. Let's go to the summit with the monkey.
This is how much visibility we are getting on Genting.
Oh my.
Our driver is like freaking out right now.
It's stressful.
Yeah, the visibility is really quite bad. Can't really see anything. Our friend on the Honda is there, just following up on us.
This is insane! I can't see through the fog!
Neither can we!
What?
We can't see either!
I'm so scared of people not seeing me! Oh! Oh my god, we made it! Genting Highlands on a Honda Monkey. Hashtag monkey business. You gotta admit, that's a surprising feat for something as tiny and underpowered as this. I mean, let's remember, that's an air-cooled 125cc with barely 10 horsepower and a 4-speed manual box. Getting this thing up here was quite a struggle. I think we spent most of our time in second and third gear, sometimes in first. But hey, we made it up here, and surprisingly, we still have quite a lot of fuel coming up here. I think we only used about barely 2 bars or 1. And yeah, I think we've proven our point. The next time you see the Honda Monkey, it's not just cute. It's cool, and it's also very, very capable. So you're for 14,000 ringgit, you're getting a bike with the retro looks and charm that can still do the Genting hill climb. Well, I guess that's enough monkey business for one day. It's time for me and Mr. Darren Lloyd holding the camera there to safely make our way down. Until the next time, folks, bye!